Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us prepare Sichuan noodles with our own homemade Sichuan sauce. For the recipe, first we are going to prepare the sauce. With this one sauce in hand, you can make a lot of Chinese recipes. For the recipe, I am going to take 250 grams of dry chilies. Here I am using Kashmiri chili for the color. Add some water until all the chilies are completely immersed. Let us boil this for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes of boiling, you have to switch off the flame and close it with the lid and leave it for another 10 minutes. This will turn the chilies soft. Now let us drain the water and transfer all the chilies into a mixie jar. Grind this into a thick paste. Try not to add water, but if you are not able to grind at all, you can add a very little amount of water. The chili paste is ready. Set this aside. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. I am using Idayam sesame oil for the recipe. Using sesame oil will enhance the taste of the sauce. Now add around 10 to 12 garlic cloves. You have to chop them into fine pieces. Saute this well for another 2 to 3 minutes. Next, let us add ginger. This is 1-inch piece chopped very finely. Saute everything well until they turn slightly golden brown. Once you get the golden brown color, you can add the chili paste. Now saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. After sauteing this well in oil, you can add a little amount of water, around a quarter cup. Now close this and cook until the oil oozes out. So here you can see that the oil has come up. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. You have to add the required amount of salt, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Give everything a nice mix. Let us cook this for another 2 to 3 minutes and then you can switch off the flame. And here our Sichuan sauce is ready. Allow it to cool and transfer this into an airtight container. You can store this in the refrigerator for months. You can try n number of recipes with this single sauce. Moving on to the noodles, here I am going to use spaghetti pasta. Take enough water, add some salt, a teaspoon of olive oil and put the pasta into it. If you are using noodles, it is the same procedure. Cook this until it turns soft. This will take around 10 to 15 minutes. Drain the water and set the spaghetti aside. Now take a pan, pour some oil in it. To this add around 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Saute this and add around 2 or 3 dry chilies. Next we are going to add the vegetables. Here I am going to add onion, capsicum, carrot and cabbage. You can use 1 small onion, a small piece of half a carrot and 1 capsicum. Let us saute the vegetables. To this add the required amount of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. Saute the vegetables until they are half cooked and then add a half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 2 tablespoons of Sichuan sauce. Saute this for 1 or 2 minutes and then we can add the cooked pasta or the cooked noodles. Now give everything a nice mix. Once you have given a nice mix, you can top this with spring onions and switch off the flame. So here our Sichuan spaghetti made with our very own Sichuan sauce is ready. Do give a try. This will taste so good. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel.